Hello aspirants, welcome to a quick fire revision on the fundamental topic for all competitive exam physical quantities and units. What is the physical quantity? It's simply anything that can be measured directly or indirectly and expressed as a fixed number with a unit. Think mass, length, or forces. We classify these units into two main types, fundamental and derived. Fundamental quantities are the basic independent quantities. They cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantity. They are building block of physics. They are 7 SI based quantities and their units are following. The length has SI unit meter with symbol m. Mass has SI unit kilogram with symbol kg. Time has SI unit second with symbol small s. Electric current represented by unit ampere with symbol capital A. Thermodynamic temperature represented by units Kelvin with symbol capital K, and the quantity amount of substance represented by unit mole and symbol small mol. And last fundamental physical quantity is luminous intensity, whose unit is candela and its symbol is small c and d, cd. Now coming to derived quantity. So derived quantity are the quantity that are depend on or are formed by the combining two or more fundamental quantities through multiplication or division. Their derived units are also combination of fundamental units. For example, area. Area is equal to length into length. Unit is meter square. Speed upon velocity. Speed or velocity, which formula is distance upon length. Basically distance upon time. So its units will be meter per second. Then force formula is mass into acceleration and unit will be kg per meter per second square. Kg meter per second square. This combination is given the special name Newton, represented by capital N, and then pressure, which formula is force per unit area. So its units will be Newton per meter square, which is called Pascal and represented by capital P or small a, PA. Now I will give you a key tip to memorize all 7 fundamental units. You can derive any other units. So we'll talk about this in next video. So stay tuned. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe or share. Thank you.